What's up, everybody? Here is a quick intro to Rocket League Broadcast Studio. I'm going to show you the basics of how to install, set up, and what you need to do for OBS. Excuse the ums. Roast me in the comments. I will include an counter eventually, but I will get better at this over time, and then you haters will have nothing to talk about besides how I used AI for certain images. Anyway, so open up the executable that I sent you, or that you downloaded. If you already have a version, it will replace the files. No worry about that. And once it's installed, I'll open it up and show you the different pieces of this version. So when you get into it, what you are looking at right now is the studio mode of Rocket League Broadcast Studio. Up top, you'll see tabs: Studio, Builder, Events. Studio is your main scene editor. This is where you view different scenes, create different scenes. This is what is being shown in the broadcast. So here we have a predefined scene. This is called Rocket League RLCS Broadcast. This scene contains a bunch of different modules that you can change out and edit. But to start, let's go over what's in the panel. If I'm streaming a tournament, the first thing I want to do is set up the tournament details. Okay? I have on the left a match setup where I set up the title. I can do a universal font. And then I can switch out different things like the series, if it's a best of 7, if it's a best of 5, if it's the best of 3, and so on and so forth. Your team names, customize the teams, upload logos, set their colors, done all here in the studio. You will also see a list of all the modules that are part of a scene. You have scenes and modules. Modules belong to scenes. So here in the RLCS broadcast, you have modules, and they're here, and you can control their visibility, and they go away. You can control the header, goes away. Anything you want to do here. With basic, you can remove them. If you remove them, it doesn't delete the module forever. It just removes it from the scene. You can add in other modules from this. So I can also move around modules here. I can place them, I can move them here. You'll notice that there are buttons on top of these modules. These are for centering. Center it horizontally, move it up. Once you have it where you want, make sure it's centered still. You can right click and you have some functions within the right click menu. Permanently delete, remove from scene. Careful with permanently deleting things. You can hide the module. Now, on the right, you will see details about the scene name, and the background type. This scene is an overlay on top of gameplay, so the background is transparent. However, this scene, post-game, is a image background, where you have an image back here. Yes, created with AI. And the module on top, not created with AI. Created by me, manually. If I want to edit something, let's go back to the broadcast. If I want to edit a module, I click on it, highlight it, and then I can right click and edit in Builder, or if you go back, you just click Builder mode, and whatever's highlighted will be here. This is where you can change, adjust existing modules. Feel free to play with all these settings. Do as you please. Layer pen on the left. I have another video describing how to use the builder in a little more detail. In the studio, you can, as you said, we can see, and you'll be able to see transitions as you switch between. This shows you the actual transitions that will happen in game. You can also set up events. Events are tied into scenes. So if I click events, it'll bring up the events tab on the right. I've already created a bunch of different events, and you can see the details of them here. When the match is paused, hide the modules. When the match is unpaused, show modules. If a player is demoed, play a transition. Once the countdown begins, show mod, do whatever you want. This is a full event system that ties into the scene and the elements that you can adjust and make whatever you want. I've pre-filled this version with a bunch of After Effects transitions. You can test them all out here. Give me your feedback on them, okay? I just am starting this. This is a nice package of about 12 or 15 transitions. I will add more. That will improve over time. Let me know what you think. Once you have this looking good and you're ready, you can click up top, open OBS output. That is going to open up a Chrome window or whatever browser you use with the URL that you're going to want to take and put into OBS. I'll make all these instructions more clear as we go on, but this is a demo version and not everything is done. I want you to play around, explore, give me feedback, let me know what you'd like to see. The goal of Rocket League Broadcast Studio is to give you the tools to make your own broadcast, your own overlays, your own events, customize it however you want. This is the beginning, hopefully, of a long project. We'll see if the community likes it or not. I know there's a lot of other options out there, and shout out to all those guys. A lot of creative people building stuff right now. So, I support all of them. I've been having fun building this and meeting some of you, and I hope this continues. Let me know if you have any questions. Hit me up on X. Details are in the comments. And I appreciate y'all again. I don't know what the meter is at. Not too bad this meter this time. Oh, there you go. All right. I'm getting out of here. Peace out.